Hello guys, we are going to unbox Sanrio mystery cards. If you are new to our channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. We are going to unbox all the cards and categorize them by their characters. Pom Pom Purin, My Melody, Cinnamoroll, My Melody, Little Twin Stars, Kuromi, Little Twin Stars, Kuromi, My Melody, Kuromi, Kuromi, My Melody and Kuromi, Kuromi, My Melody, Cinnamoroll, Cinnamoroll, Pom Pom Purin, Kuromi, My Melody and Kuromi, My Melody, Kuromi, Cinnamoroll, 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 Wish Me Mal, Kuromi, Little Twin Stars, Kuromi, Little Twin Stars, Cinnamoroll, Wish Me Mal, My Melody, My Melody and Kuromi, Pom Pom Purin, and here are the cards that we collected from our 4 starter packs. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on our next video.